I'm Sakshi of HCI RMC company. We have currently 3 branches, Amritsar, Ludhiana and Mohali. We build canals, roadways, big buildings everywhere. So together we have more than 20 Eicher TM है हमारे तीनों units में, and we are very comfortable with the kind of services they provide us. So Eicher Pro 6028 TM has a very good technology which is EPTO technology. So अब vehicle के ही engine से with one single engine drum भी चल जाता है. And the size of the drum has also increased. Size भी बड़ा हो गया जिसमें 2 m³ तक जो अंदर की quantity है we can increase that. And the productivity is also more. The fleet run is more. And then there is a saving on fuel as well, because obviously जो पहले अगर हम 5 चक्कर लग रहे थे तो वो अब हमारे 3.5 में हो रहे हैं. So any which ways, all seeing everything, it is giving us a lot of savings. So this is really low maintenance. TMs को बार बार सर्विस के लिए नहीं भेजना, and there is no missing of trip. So इन गाड़ियों में M booster plus technology है. Very good feature. Rather, I am really impressed by this feature. It has 3 parts: power, eco and eco plus. So जब अगर TM पूरा आपका loaded है, you can put it on this mode of power. Second is eco when it is partially loaded, and the third one is eco plus when the TM is entirely empty. So that ways you can keep a check on the TM with a good average. इन गाड़ियों में Eicher Live दे रखा है, which is really beneficial. We kind of stay connected with each TM individually. ये हमें सारा रिकॉर्ड, सारा फ्यूल का रिकॉर्ड, अगर हम ट्रैवल भी कर रहे हैं, सारे चीज़ कहाँ चोरी हुई, नहीं हुई, everything is there on this Eicher Live. So personally we are very happy with Eicher, and I suggest सभी को, whosoever are there in our competitive field, or friends, family, everyone, please get connected to Eicher. It's really beneficial.